Creating a winning offer, whether in business, sales, or negotiations, involves a combination of strategy, presentation, and value proposition. Here are some steps to help you craft a compelling offer. Understand your audience. Know your target audience, their needs, pain points, and preferences. Create buyer personas to gain a deeper understanding of your potential customers. Research your competitors. Analyze your competitors' offers to identify gaps or areas where you can outperform them. Differentiate your offer to stand out. Define your unique selling proposition, USP. Determine what sets your offer apart from the competition. Highlight the value or benefits that only your offer can provide. Set clear objectives. Clearly define your goals, such as increasing sales, acquiring new customers, or entering new markets. Your offer should align with these objectives. Offer valuable solutions. Address your audience's pain points and provide solutions. Showcase how your offer can improve their lives or solve their problems. Pricing strategy. Price your offer competitively, but ensure you cover costs and make a profit. Offer different pricing options or bundles to cater to various customer segments. Create compelling content. Craft persuasive, concise, and compelling marketing materials. Use persuasive language that highlights the benefits and outcomes of your offer. Build trust and credibility. Share customer testimonials, case studies, or reviews to show that your offer is reliable and has a track record of success. Highlight your company's credentials and expertise. Limited time promotions. Create a sense of urgency with limited time offers or discounts. Use scarcity to motivate potential customers to act quickly. Guarantee and risk reduction. Offer money-back guarantees or warranties to reduce the perceived risk for customers. Make it easy for customers to trust your offer. Use visuals. Include high-quality images, videos, or infographics to showcase your offer. Visual content can make your offer more appealing and understandable. Personalize your offer. Tailor your offer to the specific needs and preferences of individual customers or market segments. Personalization can significantly enhance the attractiveness of your offer. Clear call to action, CTA. Include a clear and compelling call to action in your marketing materials. Tell the customer what steps to take next. Test and iterate. Continuously monitor the performance of your offer and gather customer feedback. Make adjustments and improvements based on the results and insights. Deliver exceptional customer service. After making the offer, provide excellent customer support. Good customer service can turn satisfied customers into loyal ones. Measure and analyze. Track the success of your offer through metrics such as conversion rates, sales, and customer feedback. Use these insights to refine your future offers. Creating a winning offer is an ongoing process that requires a deep understanding of your target audience and the ability to adapt to changing market dynamics. By consistently providing value and addressing customer needs, you increase your chances of success in any industry.